Bonsoir. Il est toujours difficile de suivre une ouverture pareille. Mais quelle ouverture! C'est de la musique pour les mains, pour les pieds, mais aussi pour l'âme. Et là, nous sommes dans un endroit de richesse. Nous avons eu une ouverture riche et c'est très difficile de suivre cela. Mais on va tenter de toute façon. Bienvenue au pays des parfums. Bienvenue aux capitales mondiales du parfum. Bienvenue à Grasse et bienvenue à Centifolia. Et pour vous souhaiter une meilleure bienvenue que moi, je vais vous présenter une femme que tous, je pense, connaissent. C'est Madame Centifolia. S'il vous plaît, faites une triomphe pour Madame Catherine Peyraud.
Bonsoir et bienvenue à tous. Welcome. A warm welcome and thousands of thanks to our friends who came from all over the world to share with us this great adventure. From India, California, Australia, New York, Mexico, of course from all over Europe, thank you so much for being with us. Please, do allow me to speak in French tonight. Just tonight, I promise. Thank you. Quel bonheur, quel encouragement de reconnaître dans la
How
salle
great this is.
tant de
And how
personnes qui
encouraging
étaient présentes à
to
Centifolia 2011.
see so many familiar faces who were actually here at Centifolia 2011, an event that had disrupted our habits,
Laissés devant la porte
shaken our certainties.
nos obligations
We'd sort of
de
just
résultats.
left behind us our social status and our obligations to come up with results. The objective
Libérer
was
nos
about
talents, nous ouvrir la
giving the
voie d'une
conditions
créativité
to
joyeuse,
free our
inspirante,
talents,
sans
to
limite,
open the path to a
celle
happy
à contribuer
creativity
à servir
inspired without any
l'intérêt
limits,
que
which is
celle
to contribute to
d'unir
serve the collective
l'homme
interest,
et la nature pour le meilleur.
to actually unite man and nature for the best. Yes,
Proposer
yes,
d'imaginer
we'd
ensemble le
made the
produit
bet
parfait,
to suggest we imagine together the
fidèle à notre
perfect
réputation.
product.
L'événement
Okay,
Centifolia
we've been faithful to our
a
reputation,
toujours eu un temps
and the
d'avance.
Centifolia event
Monique, qui est parmi
has
nous
always
aujourd'hui,
been
Monique
one
Rémy,
step ahead.
l'initiative
I mean,
aussi au cœur de cet événement
Monique
pour
Rémy was with
Valdivier,
us today,
toujours eu un temps
you know, at the very
d'avance
heart of this
pour
event. I mean,
évoquer et
and so, you know,
débattre
we're
de
always
sujets
one
précurseurs
step
et
ahead,
engagés,
you know, to
parfois même
discuss
très engagés,
avant-garde subjects,
trop visionnaires,
sometimes perhaps
pour
even,
être
you know,
parfois immédiatement compris.
perhaps too
Pour autant,
visionary.
ces débats ont
Sometimes
provoqué
they weren't
sans aucun
understood.
doute
But these
des prises de
discussions,
conscience
you know,
collectives
without any doubt,
sur la nécessité de
meant that
modifier nos
there was
pratiques,
growing
de
awareness
repenser notre façon de faire
on
du
the necessity
business,
to change our practices, to rethink our way of doing business, to offer the world more equity, more justice, and more balance in our
on a commencé à
exchanges.
prendre en compte les enjeux du développement durable,
When we
à
started
intégrer de nouveaux comportements
looking
liés à la
at
responsabilité
sustainable
sociale de
development
l'entreprise,
objectives, to include new behaviors that relate to CSR, there was great hope,
allait enfin
a new
voir le jour
era
en
with
capacité désormais
companies in the corporate world that was going to see the day, a capacity that we would have to preserve and look after the treasures of our
tout en
planet,
répondant aux
the
attentes des
nature and the
consommateurs
men
et
who
plus
protect
largement aux
it,
citoyens du monde.
whilst also responding to the
Il
consumers'
faut rappeler qu'il y
expectations
a à peu
and
près
to the
5 ans,
citizens
c'était en
the
effet
world over.
l'époque
We need to
où
remember
le
that
changement
5
climatique et
years
ses
ago,
catastrophes
there was a
naturelles,
time
la
when
biodiversité et la disparition
climate change and its
d'espèces,
natural disasters,
la destruction des
biodiversity
écosystèmes,
and the
les
extinction of many
conditions de vie
species,
inacceptables
the
des paysans
destruction of
producteurs
ecosystems,
étaient à cette
and
époque,
the
j'ose le dire,
unacceptable life conditions
à
of
la
the peasants
et puis
were
il y a eu en
at the time
plus
à la mode,
la crise
fashionable. And then there was
financière,
also, in
bien
addition
sûr.
to all of this, the
Alors
crisis,
oui, nous
financial
avons en
crisis, of
effet
course.
assisté
So
à un sursaut de conscience.
we have witnessed a burst of
Dans le cadre de mes
consciousness.
activités, j'ai rencontré
So in the context of my activities, I have actually met exceptional leaders, and I still meet some, I mean, rest assured. And, you know, they have a real, sincere definite will to change their rules and internal strategies, and basically they want to change their way of doing business. So they've set up CSR committees, they've set up best practices for more ethical sourcing and the more sustainable procurement systems, for more visibility in order to obtain organic labels and equitable labels and develop humanitarian actions and finance works in order to be able to give drinking water to everyone, to build health centers, schools. What changes? And in fact, very little investment considering the impact of the image of their corporations. And we can see many interesting stories that now feed into the arguments of marketing people. 5 years down the road, well, we may have reasons to be pessimistic, but at the same time, there's the emergence of a new reality that actually gives us reason to hope. Yes, I mean, the results terrible, and I'm not going to dwell on these. I'm an optimist. No, what I mean is, I have faith. I believe in the capacity of man to actually change, to give the best of himself. I would have umpteen number of examples to share with you, but let me just make two very recent observations. 10 days ago, I was at the Global Business and Biodiversity meeting organized by the United Nations in Montreal for the Biodiversity Convention. What I saw, what I heard there was overall a cry of alert and a real people were really worried in the face of demobilization in governments and corporations in the face of the convention's objectives. I mean, we're talking about the imminent application of the Nagoya Protocol that actually led to the uprise of many lobbying organizations trying to find the arguments to avoid the constraints connected to you've got to behave better. So we still have to have a disaster, a media revelation to act. So basically, there's just the risk to one's image that remains the safeguard. Day before yesterday, I was starting to think about what I was going to say to you this evening. A friend gives me an article that was published in the New York Times October on an incredible, fantastic innovation that was going to completely change the production of natural ingredients for the industry of perfumery and aroma. So, living, at the heart of the world of natural products, I without waiting 1 minute, I went to read the article, and what I discovered, incredulous, the incredible opportunities that synthetic biology could contribute. So to keep it short, rather than to extract the quintessence of plants, rather than to make the most of nature's miracle, and that in addition allows us to look after millions of people who preserve nature and that could have actually made it their livelihood. Now we can produce ingredients that originate from microorganisms or genetically modified products that are going to actually grow in huge vats. Wow, great. I mean, the marketeers are actually going to be so happy, and they'll be able to tell us wonderful stories. No, come on, let's be serious. I mean, apparently this is formidable. Our industries will no longer have to depend on the whims of nature or to do with problems of supply. Traders, speculators will disappear. They won't have to manage the negative impacts of over-exploitation of the land. They won't have to worry about equity in the exchanges. They won't even have to apply the Nagoya Protocol. They won't be traumatized by REACH. Everything will be predictable. Happiness. The quantities, the qualities, the prices, the margins, we'll be able to have full control over the whole chain. So our companies will, of course, drop their production costs slightly, their sales price, to sell more and more and always more. But what's the most incredible in all of this is that these ingredients could be qualified as being natural products. In fact, a main leader questioned on this innovation answers, the need for natural is the key driver. Oh, great. Of course.
The whole process is
of course,
sustainable.
is environmentally
Bref,
friendly.
le nirvana est-
The whole process is sustainable.
Non, mais je
Okay,
plaisante.
we're coming close to nirvana.
Merci
Oh,
Rémi
come
pour
on.
cet
I mean, this is a
article.
joke.
Tu aurais pu me trouver d'autres
Thank you,
nouvelles
Rémi,
plus
for
réjouissantes pour ouvrir cet événement.
giving me that article to read. I mean, you could have, actually come up with better news to start this event. No, I mean, I think we're walking
Plus
upside down.
sérieusement, je veux
No,
croire
no.
que c'est plutôt de
Okay,
l'ignorance.
let's be serious. I think it has
Nos
more to do with
dirigeants ont la tête
ignorance.
dans le guidon, sous la pression des
Our
résultats.
leaders can't see further than the tip of their nose, and they're under the pressure of results, and they can't get out of this. To stand back, to look at the world.
Bref,
So,
toutefois,
okay, so
le
is it their
business
fault?
as usual
But nevertheless,
reste le gouvernail de
the
nos
business as
organisations.
usual is still what
la courroie de
drives our
transmission
organizations.
devient
But
Et quand elle va casser,
the transmission belt is getting thinner and thinner, and when it's going to break, we know what happens with our cars. It's going to cost a
notre
lot.
société,
A lot.
dans sa forme actuelle,
So our company,
ces dernières décennies,
as it looks
elle
today,
contribue elle-même
is
à sa
actually
perte, aveuglément,
in its last
tous les jours un
decades,
peu
it's
plus, et
contributing
ne
to
veut
its
pas y
own loss
croire.
blindly more and doesn't want to believe that
Les pays
that's
sont
what's happening.
probablement trop riches.
Our countries are
Je pourrais
probably
être
too
désespérée.
rich. Well, I could be totally in despair.
Et réjouissantes initiatives
But
issues de la
there are
génération
many, many
émergent
initiatives
de partout.
that come from
Des
Generation Y
initiatives qui
are
démontrent
emerging
qu'il est
from
possible
every which side.
et pérenne
Initiatives
de bâtir
that demonstrate that it is possible and sustainable to build an organization on other values. An organization where everybody wins. A win-win-win business model. A business where there is no loser.
Lors de l'édition
Okay,
Centifolia
I mean, that,
2011,
I think, there's reason to be happy there. At the Centifolia 2011, Jean-François Nouvelle had made a brilliant, given us a brilliant conference on the different type of collective intelligence to explain to us why and how. Today, what we're seeing is a mutation and a radical evolution of our society. A very, very deep transformation that's happening, but it was still not very visible for some. Some didn't even believe it. I mean, remember what he said. One can hear the tree that falls, but not the tree that grows. So in 2 years, what we've seen is actually an unbelievable acceleration of the phenomenon. Our society and those who govern it are agitated and are constantly questioning themselves, and this is all amplified and accelerated by the internet technologies and the social media. So, we are now in the face of a complete overhaul of the social codes. We're confronted we're in the face of the Generation Y who no longer wants our conventional pyramid-shaped society. The new generation is getting organized and want another type of society, the one that's going to be actually built on other values. Again, values that actually put the better being of each one of us as a fundamental pillar. Values that give priority to the joy of creating, innovating, inventing, sharing, that puts the being and his talents at the very heart of the raison d'etre of an organization. Values that allow each one of us to actually make his or her dream come true. So, sometimes, just like with any pioneer, people may think, we're a little bit, la-la in la-la land. But today, I mean, it's obvious, that transformation is on its way. So, how are our organizations going to do to adapt to the tsunami if they want to survive? What measures should they adopt? What business model? What type of governance? How to actually fulfill the expectations of these emerging markets, of these conscious consumers? In 2011, we had part of the answer. We'd worked on a map, a scoreboard that intended to create the perfect product. It's based on a compass, an approach that has nothing to do with the traditional rules and well beyond rules and laws that are imposed. But on the other hand, a rule that's very easy to adopt, understandable by all. Here it is. The rule, to make sure that what's beautiful, what's good, what's real, what's true, should be applied to everything we do, all our practices. all our
Je ne m'étendrai
strategies,
pas sur leurs
and at
définitions
every
respectives.
single moment of
Nous y
our lives.
reviendrons au cours de
Again,
ce
I'm not going to
sommet,
dwell
nous
on the
verrons
respective definitions of these words. I'm
Et
sure we'll
sachez
be
qu'on est
revisiting
loin,
these
mais tellement
during the
plus
days
loin
we're going to
des
spend
critères
together.
et
But
des
you
chartes
need to know
RSE
that,
et de
we are far, far,
certification
far. We're
ISO
much
26000 qui nous sont
further than criteria
C'est
of
la
a
longue
CSR
travail
charter
bien
and
fait.
an ISO
C'est la beauté
9000
de nos
certification that have been
gestes.
imposed. So it's
C'est
the
la
love
chaleur
of
d'une
work well
parole.
done. It's the beauty of a gesture.
C'est la
It's
joie
the
de
warmth
créer
of a
qui
someone
génère
talking
un
to you.
contexte
It's the
propice
joy of
à
creating
l'innovation.
that generate a context that is going to lead to innovation.
J'ai rencontré tout récemment plusieurs d'entre vous qui
Well,
avaient
very
participé à la
recently,
précédente édition.
I met some of you who had participated in the previous conference, and I heard testimonials that really moved me deeply. Guillaume, who says, Catherine, since Centifolia 2011,
Je ne crée
something
plus
has
de parfum de
occurred
la même
inside of
manière.
me.
Je pense à l'origine
I
des
don't
ingrédients
create my
palette,
perfumes in the same way.
l'histoire.
I think of the origin of the ingredients that are on my palette, their stories, and
Je
in a
rencontre
certain
tout
way,
le monde avec ceux qui ont œuvré
there's a
pour
communion
venir nourrir mon
between
inspiration.
those
Je
who've
sais pas si
worked
je peux oser te
to
le
come
dire,
and nourish my
mais
inspiration.
parfois presque, je le
I
parle.
don't know if I dare tell you, but sometimes
Beau,
I
comme
talk
disent
to
les
them.
jeunes.
Wow, that is great,
Et Gilles,
as the
qui
youngsters
me
would
dit j'ai
say.
compris que je ne devais plus
Gilles.
chercher à convaincre à tout
And he
prix
says, I
pour que les
understood
choses
that
changent
I
dans
should
mon
no
organisation,
longer
dans mon
try to
entreprise.
convince at all
C'est à
costs for
moi
things to change
de
in
ne
my
plus être dans la
company.
compromission.
It's,
L'essentiel, c'est que désormais je sois
again,
en
it's
phase
up to
avec
me
mes valeurs les
to
plus
stop
profondes.
looking for
Je
compromises.
fais modestement
Again,
des
what's
petits
most
pas,
important is that I have
et
to
cela me
actually
rend déjà
be in sync
tellement
with my
heureux.
values.
Rémi qui
And
me dit,
every
depuis
day,
Centifolia, je suis
it's one
hantée
step at a time.
et
And I'm already all
passionnée
happy.
à la
Rémi,
fois
who says,
par la
since
vision des
Centifolia,
produits
I'm
parfaits,
haunted and passionate at the same
la
time by
créativité,
the
le
vision of the
plaisir
perfect
d'être,
product,
et les
of all the
bienfaits
joy,
qu'il
the
va pouvoir
creativity,
générer.
the pleasure of just being,
Et
and
j'essaie
the
au sein de mon
benefits that it should
entreprise
be generating.
de
And I
mettre en œuvre
try,
les moyens
within my own
nécessaires
company,
pour y
to
parvenir.
actually
Mais
adopt the necessary
rien ne
means to get
m'arrêtera,
there. But
car je me
nothing will
sens
stop me.
revivre.
Because I feel as if
Puis
I'm
Pierre,
born
qui
again.
me dit j'ai pu
And
mettre
Pierre,
des mots sur ce que je ressentais au sein de l'entreprise.
finally, I've been able to actually find the words
J'ai compris
to express
que
what
c'est
it
à
is
moi
I
de faire le
feel
pas,
within the company
je
that
m'y
employs me.
prépare.
I understood that it's for me to actually
J'ai hâte de revenir
make
au
the
prochain
step, take a step,
Centifolia
and I'm
pour
getting ready
rejoindre
for
cette
it.
communauté de
Wow,
belles
I
personnes
can't
qui m'a
wait
donné
to
le
come to the
courage
next
de
Centifolia
dépasser
to
mes peurs et
actually
d'être moi-même.
meet up again with this group of beautiful people who gave me the courage to actually get rid of my fears and to be myself. These testimonials
Offrir.
are
Un
an
don
incredible gift.
gratuit, invisible
It's
et si riche à la fois.
again, it's for free, invisible,
Nous y
and
voilà.
there's so much in it, so
Notre
rich.
prochaine étape,
Okay,
maintenant que nous avons
here we
l'outil,
go.
le compas,
The next
c'est de
step, now
construire
that
le
we have the
business
tool, the
model qui
compass,
permettra de révéler
our
toutes
next
les
step is to
les
build the
richesses
business
qu'il
model
génère.
that will make it possible
Ces
to reveal
incroyables richesses,
all the
visibles
wealth that it
invisibles,
generates, this incredible
seront au
wealth,
cœur des débats
both
de cette
visible and
nouvelle
invisible, that will be at the heart
Une nouvelle
of
édition
the
de
debate
façon
of this new edition.
particulière qui a
A new
bénéficié
edition,
aux
but
côtés du
again,
Club des
very special,
entrepreneurs,
and that
du
has
concours
had
du
the
CIRI
benefit, next to the
pour
Club des
la
Entrepreneurs, of the
Le
contribution of the
Collective
CIRI
Intelligence
to actually
Research Institute
who decided
un
the
organisme de
design. This
recherche
is
et
a collectivity
développement
intelligence
qui
research
soutient et
institute,
développe
actually a research and
l'intelligence
development
collective à la
organization
société humaine.
that supports and develops
Le fruit de
collective
ces recherches
intelligence
va
in
directement dans le domaine
man's
public,
society,
au service
and
de la
the
société
fruit of the research goes
Son
straight
modèle
into
de
the
richesse,
public domain to
c'est
serve civil
la
society,
générosité.
and its model of wealth
Ce
is
fut la décision, ce
generosity.
fut le choix du Club des
So
entrepreneurs
it was
de
the
Pays de
decision,
Grâce,
it was the
mandaté par
choice
la
of the Club des
collectivité
Entrepreneurs of
pour
the
réaliser
Pays de
cet
Grâce,
événement, ont confié au
mandated
CIRI
by
sa
the
conception, son
local authority
contenu,
to
basé
organize
sur
this
une
event,
innovation
to
radicale,
actually ask
porte
the CIRI
d'entrée vers
to
l'entreprise de
design
demain.
it, to decide on its
C'était très
content
courageux de
based
leur
on
part,
radical innovation, which
car
is
c'était
the
accepter de
door
sortir du schéma
open on the
conventionnel de ces
company of
congrès
the
où
future.
on
This is very
s'ennuie à
courageous on their
mourir.
part, because what it meant was
C'est une
actually to
opinion
actually
personnelle.
rethink
Je le dis au président
these
Jacques
conferences
Vain,
where
il faut pas
we're
dire ça.
bored to
C'est une
death,
opinion personnelle.
and
Je
I'd like
m'ennuie
to
à mourir.
and again the
Et je
President
le
Jacques Vain
remercie
said I shouldn't say this, but
sincèrement,
the
Jacques Vain,
usual
vous êtes
conference
quand
where
même
people
un guide.
bored to death, and I'd really like
Je
to
saisis cette opportunité pour
thank
remercier aussi Jean-Pierre
Jacques Vain.
Leleu,
So I'd like to seize
sénateur
this
maire de
opportunity to
Grasse
also
et
thank
président de la
Jean-Pierre
communauté
Leleu,
d'agglomération Pôle Azur
Senator
Provence,
and Mayor of Grasse, and
qui
also
depuis
President of
toujours
the
soutient
community
notre
d'agglomération
positionnement,
for
partage notre vision
Grasse, and for
et
he's
sourit
always
même
been
parfois
sharing our
de
vision,
notre culot,
supports us fully,
d'oser
and
déranger
sometimes
les habitudes et
smiles
conventions qui
when he
plombent
sees
notre
us
évolution,
daring
de
to
pousser
actually
le curseur toujours
disrupt
plus loin
habits
pour le meilleur.
and customs, and to always push the cursor further for the best. For the best
de notre
of
territoire.
our industry for the best of our territory.
Alors oui, Jacques Pain et son équipe ont décidé d'apporter tout
So
leur
yes,
soutien.
Jacques Pain and his team have decided
de
to
pionniers du
provide
Syrie,
all their support to this
issus de tous
team
les
of
coins de la
pioneers
planète,
of this Syrie
reconnus
that come from
mondialement pour leurs
all corners of the
incroyables
world,
talents, pour leur
recognized the
vision,
world over for
mais
their
aussi pour leur
incredible
intégrité.
talents and for their vision, but
Ils disent,
also for their
ils
integrity.
sont, ils
They
font,
say,
ce
they
en
are,
quoi ils croient.
they do what it is they believe
Bâtir
in.
ce programme pour designer les espaces et
So
temps de
to build up
créativité
this
qu'ils
program,
vont
to
partager,
design
pour collecter toutes les
those
richesses qui
the
émergeront
times
de
and
ces
spaces of
moments.
creativity that we're going to share, to collect
Cette
all the
équipe a
wealth that
œuvré
will
sans
emerge from
relâche
these
depuis
moments of
des
sharing. This
mois
team has
rassembler,
worked day in, day
repérer
out
les
for months
initiatives les plus
to bring
significatives,
together, to
sélectionner
actually
sans
detect
aucune
the most significant
compromission
initiatives,
les
to
expériences
select
personnelles
without any compromise
qui témoignent
personal
que notre monde est en route.
experiences that are
travail
testimonials
de titan
that prove that there's another
nécessité
world
de leur
on its
part
way. This is actually
d'exceptionnelles
a
qualités humaines,
humongous
traverser
work
bien
that
des
has
épreuves,
required on their part
venir
exceptional
nous
human
offrir
qualities
le meilleur
to
d'une aventure
live some
qui
pretty
viendra
tough
marquer
experiences and to offer the best of an adventure that will actually touch
Oui,
our soul.
des épreuves liées à leur choix
Yes.
d'agir conformément
Difficult
à
times.
leur choix de vie.
Again, linked to that have to do with the choice that they've made to live according to the choice of life, and they want to work for more generosity.
Cet événement
Translation
dans son
in French.
contenu a été créé sur
This
la base
event,
du don.
in terms of its content, has been
Dans
created
l'ancien
on the
temps,
base
on dirait
of
du
giving.
bénévolat.
In the old
Pas
times, we would have said
conventionnel, mais
volunteering.
une foultitude de
No
richesses qu'ils ont
conventional
décidé de
type money,
partager avec
but
nous,
many,
celle de
many
nous offrir dans la joie le
benefits
meilleur
that they've
d'eux-mêmes.
decided to share with us. What they want to do is to offer
Je serais heureuse que
with
nous
joy the
puissions les
best of
honorer,
themselves.
les
So,
remercier de
what
ce
I'd like to
cadeau
do
qu'ils
now,
ont
and what would make me happy,
préparé
is to pay tribute to them and to
Je vous
thank
demande de
them
bien
for
vouloir
this
vous
gift
lever
they
et leur
prepared
faire
for
une
you.
standing ovation.
So what I'd like to ask you is to stand up and to give them a standing ovation.
Pour terminer mes propos,
So again, to conclude what I wanted to say to you this evening,
je voudrais dès à présent
almost
exprimer ma
finished.
plus profonde gratitude
I
à
would
celles
like to,
et ceux
as of
qui,
now,
sans aucun
express
doute,
my very deep
nous auront permis de
gratitude
faire,
to
à
those who,
l'issue de ce
without the
congrès,
slightest doubt,
à nouveau
will have made
un
it
saut
possible
quantique. Soyez-en
to actually
convaincus.
make, at the end of this
Cet
congress,
événement
an incredible
sera à nouveau
quantum leap.
déstabilisant dans notre
So,
façon
once
désormais
again,
de donner du sens
This is going
à
to
notre métier,
be highly
actes,
destabilizing
du courage
in our
aussi
way
pour
to give
réaliser nos
meaning
rêves
to what we do, our actions, and it'll also give us
souhaiterais
courage
que chaque fin,
to
notre
actually
président
live our dreams of
bien
humanity.
à mes côtés,
I would like
partager
Jacques Pain, president of the
les
Club des Entrepreneurs, I'd like him to join me to actually to share in the thanks I'd like to express.
Merci de tout cœur à nos invités d'honneur.
So, from the bottom of our hearts, thank
Christian
you
Blancard,
to our guests of honor, Chantal Joanneau and Christian Blancard,
pour avoir spontanément, c'était un challenge,
So I'd like to thank them for having for spontaneously said yes when we asked them to open this event off the beaten track, a cutting edge,
merci de votre présence, merci de votre
slightly perturbing. Thank you for being here and thank you for your trust.
Je voudrais remercier Phil Walknell, un coach d'une incroyable
I'd also like to thank Phil Walknell.
générosité.
I mean, so humble and generous coach who helped to actually do the best pitches and who took a lot of time and care to coach all our speakers. Phil will be our favorite presenter, full of humor and so professional. Thank you, Phil.
Merci à nos conférenciers, désormais nommés
I'd like to thank our speakers. From now on, we're going to call them our sources of inspiration. I'd like to thank them because, you know, they were willing to do a very difficult exercise to express themselves according to the TED conferences. It's a real challenge, which is to not make any publicity for their company, to not bore us with PowerPoint presentations, and to be give us testimonials of their own experience and to, keep it short. I think 12, 15 minutes. I'd like to thank our sources of inspiration.
Évidemment, un grand merci à l'équipe exceptionnelle.
Of course. We'd like to thank the exceptional CIRI team, Jean-François Noubel, who is a researcher in collective intelligence, Fernanda Ibarra, specialist in social media, Gunther Sonnenfeld, specialized in innovation social technology, come from California, and Fernanda comes from Mexico, Adipat Virdi, remarkable film producer coming from London. Thank you, Dominique Lahaye, who founded ICANN, who comes from LA, and without forgetting Julie, Isabelle, Bruno, Damien, and they make up the CIRI team. There. Warm round of applause. Thank you.
D'une super équipe technique.
And there's also, a super-duper technical team, Jérôme Thomasy, David Chamac, and Gilles Chabot for the sound and video. Marianne Bernasconi, Generation Y member, recently launched her Estralab company, the students of Schema, which is a business school in Sophia Antipolis, and who will be the value champions of our adventure. Roberta Faulhaber, who's our visual facilitator, and Eric Relais, our humoristic drawer. I'd like to thank all of the technical team.
Merci à Jazia et à ses musiciens. Quel honneur.
I'd like to thank Jazia and her musicians. Wow, what an honor, what joy.
Jazia qui a spontanément elle aussi souhaitait
Thank you, Jazia. I mean, again, without the slightest hesitation, she showed that she wanted to actually experience and share with us this adventure of generosity. And the only thing she wanted in return was is to feel the happiness of offering. Thank you, Jazia. And I'd like to also thank Michel Podolak, conductor, who will be joining us tomorrow evening. I'd like to, and you see that so many people have helped, contributed in creating this exceptional adventure. I'd like to thank the fantastic team of the Club des Entrepreneurs, this team that works behind the scenes, Geneviève Juge, Sylvie Sempels, and Léa Septier. Thank you for being so rigorous, for your patience, your indulgence, and your generous hearts. And your limitless support. I'd like to thank the teams of Initiative Terre d'Azur, the teams of the City of Grasse, of the Palais des Congrès, and of course, and I'd like to thank, our simultaneous interpreters, without forgetting the General Council of the Alpes-Maritimes, represented by Jérôme Viau this evening, the Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur Regional Council, and of course the Communauté d'Agglomération, the City of Grasse for their contributions to finance the technical aspects of the event. Thank you.
Enfin et dès à présent, merci à Paula et Michel Rudniska qui nous font
I also want to thank Paula and Michel Rudniska, and it's an honor to welcome Saint Sophia in their beautiful venue. Again, it's a privilege. It's so precious, and the best possible place to create. This is going to be a fantastic experience. Thank you, Paula. Thank you, Michel.
J'ai quand même oublié quelqu'un. Comment pourrais-je terminer
but I've forgotten someone. How could I conclude?
Sans dire merci à vous tous, pionniers.
How could I end without thanking all of you, the pioneers, and not you're just, run-of-the-mill participants who've actually signed up for a traditional Congress. No, you're pioneers. What you're doing here is sharing this formidable adventure ahead of us, an adventure that will have a meaning if we leave here, happy, joyous to have been fed with our dreams and fertile perspectives. What a team! What a great community! We make up an incredible community. How much talents we have here. So much wealth we have within this community. Happiness. So from the bottom of my heart, allow me, on behalf of all those who've contributed to making this event possible, allow me to express our deepest admiration, our most sincere gratitude for the trust that you've put in us. I'd like to thank you, and I wish you a wonderful evening.
Excusez-moi, on a...
Sorry, we forgot another person, Catherine, of course. Catherine, yes, of course.
Merci Catherine.
Thank you, Jacques. Thank you, Catherine. As you can see, behind Centifolia, behind this event, well, there are a lot of, there's a lot of people, numerous people, but who could imagine Centifolia without Catherine?
Mais en même temps, Centifolia n'existe pas.
Well, at the same time, Centifolia would not exist today if it was not the work of the Club des Entrepreneurs de Grasse, and this would not exist if it wasn't the work of a man who today is senator, president of the conurbation of Pôle-Azur-Provence, but as well, mainly for us tonight, third mandate as mayor of Grasse. He's a visionary, he was able to make the city more dynamic, the territory, who was at the origin of the Club des Entrepreneurs de Grasse, and whom we can thank as well for this event tonight. It is an honor to host him, Mr. Jean-Pierre Leleu.
Chers amis, j'ai
dear friends, well, usually it's difficult for me to be taken away by something, but I'm still taken away by the wind of the beautiful words of Catherine, who, with her enthusiasm and energy, has taken us to the core of Centifolia this year. Thank you, Catherine. I feel somewhat out of place because I said, I'm gonna say a couple of words to welcome you to the guest of speakers, Chantal Joanneau, whom I'm very pleased to see in Grasse because Julia is here in the Senate. She was a great minister. And Christian Blanquart, of course, who later on with the talent we all know him, we'll do a trio with Jean-François Nouvel, Chantal and Christian. So I feel somewhat odd, and I want to welcome all the personalities, all the guests, participants coming from all over the world. And anyway, so Catherine has taken us to the heart of the topic, and therefore I will not be too long. Centifolia, great word, beautiful word. For a beautiful flower. Anyway, that poor flower, often it is said that it's not beautiful, but it smells good. Sometimes, in fact, the modesty of that flower and the quality of scents are such that we see it as the most beautiful of all flowers. It's not just the physical beauty that we have to look into. Beauty is not just in the physical aspect. Sometimes, we might be, not too good looking, but beautiful at heart. Centifolia, the flower with 100 petals. It gave its name to this event more than 15 years ago, Centifolia. This flower with jasmine, the tuberose, and other beautiful vegetables of our territory have made our region very prosperous. So we owe a lot to the flowers. The city of Grasse owe a lot to the flowers. Centifolia. Now, the name is known through the event more than through the flower itself. Centifolia is now a milestone event in the agenda of conferences and events in Grasse.
Centifolia, la manifestation cette fois.
Centifolia, the event this time, has grown up. We're getting older, but we're also becoming wiser. We started in the first years to pay a tribute to the perfume industry as a whole and to welcome several speakers in the convention. So, which in line with what we know how to do here, well, it has become the specific convention in the examination of natural products, which is, of course, is our history as well. It has evolved. This event is now has opened new dimensions. The ecology, sustainable development, and then ethics. Well, then it kind of some people got fairly uncomfortable with that. In our business, how can we, with our history, with our century-old history, with the raw material coming from all over the world. So in the vial, at the end of the chain, in the bottle, how are we going to respect all the natural molecules that are inside? If we did not take into account the farming or the exploitation in Madagascar, in India, in South America, and the people who exploit the territories, die of starvation or are dirt poor, we are here, perfumes, is part of the luxury goods, in this very, therefore the corporate social responsibility has entered now the reflection of Centifolia. And as Catherine said, we've gone well beyond that. Centifolia goes further away. We go beyond that. Centifolia, in fact, in the recent years, Centifolia was hit by the same, shock as the rest of the world population. Very strong signs, and then some more recent, which indicate the certainty that the world is about to change, once today's society, and that the fact that today's society will not be able to survive if it does not change entirely its business model, its economic model. This crisis is not a crisis. The crisis, which we've been calling the crisis, the financial economic crisis. Well, this is a turning point. It is a deep mutation, a deep change. Not just the President of the Republic, everybody is changing. Everybody is undergoing the change. In view of such an observation, well, there are some pioneers who try to make other people understand that mankind, and possibly political leaders as well, women as well, of course, leaders in corporations have a choice. And they have a choice between going straight forward, or cautiously but strongly negotiate the turn, the pivotal point of this societal change. Those who will keep going straight ahead, regardless of their analysis of what wealth could be all about, are going to hit the wall, let's face it. And in 20, 30 years, possibly, it's not my scope, it's not my role here, but those who will not weather the change, will going to hit the wall, and those who will be able to do this will survive. Okay. But don't go too fast, you don't want to go too fast taking the turn, otherwise if you go too fast you're going to hit the other wall. So there's this talent of negotiating, having things evolve with the rhythm required. Today and tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, the brilliant speakers, I've seen the list of the speakers, I've seen their competences. I'm sure they will all try to share with you their ideas that wealth of companies, wealth of businesses is not just
qui est en bas à droite.
The turnover that is at the bottom of the spreadsheet is not just
les profits répartis entre actionnaires.
The benefits shared between shareholders. There is something else in the very definition of the wealth of a company. Many, many other things.
Pas du tout l'expert.
I'm not an expert. Experts are in the room, and I'm sure they will all talk later on. But I know that those who will be able to define differently their wealth,
yen, euro, dollar,
not just in yen, euros, dollars, or Dutch marks, which are of course very useful, but
ceux qui arriveront à les définir.
But only those who will be able to define them in a different scope will become taller and better. So this will be the reflection. So I won't go any further. I would love to be with you during all the discussions that I'm sure will be very nourished and fruitful. The Grasse conurbation and the city of Grasse are very proud to give their support and to enable the Centifolia event to take place. I wish to thank the Club des Entrepreneurs with this president, Jacques Pin. This, which we supported more than 15 years ago with the team Sylvie, Geneviève, Léa, the whole team, the core, and of course a large number of people came in addition. So I want to welcome them because they've done amazing work to make sure that here, before the end of this convention, people will leave transformed and happier, as you did wish earlier on. So thank you to all speakers, thank you to all the guests and participants. Once more, thank you to Chantal, Christian, and Jean-François, who will now share with us an exceptional moment. And wish you, again, I'm sorry I wasn't able to take care of the rain. So we'll solve the problem of rain tomorrow, I promise. So I will make sure that it will be nice tomorrow. And long live Centifolia, long live Grasse, and have a great event.